Welcome to this TradingView tutorial where we will explore how to display risk versus reward on your charts. This is a crucial aspect of trading as it helps you visualize the potential profit and loss of a trade. Firstly, let's understand the concept of risk versus reward. It is a ratio that compares the potential profit of a trade to its potential loss. For example, if you are risking $1 to potentially gain $2, your risk versus reward ratio is 1 to 2. To display risk versus reward on your TradingView chart, you need to use the risk management tool. This tool allows you to set the entry point, stop loss, and take profit levels of a trade. To access the risk management tool, click on the drawing tools icon on the top toolbar and select the risk management tool from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the risk management tool, click on the chart to set the entry point of your trade. Then, click on the chart again to set the stop-loss level. The stop-loss level is the price at which you will exit the trade if it does not go in your favor. Next, click on the chart again to set the take-profit level. The take-profit level is the price at which you will exit the trade if it is profitable. After setting the entry point, stop-loss, and take-profit levels, TradingView will automatically calculate and display the risk versus reward ratio on your chart. Best practices for using the risk management tool include setting a risk versus reward ratio of at least 1 to 2, meaning that your potential profit should be at least twice your potential loss. You should also adjust the entry point, stop loss, and take profit levels based on market conditions and your trading strategy. In conclusion, displaying risk versus reward on your TradingView chart is a simple and effective way to visualize the potential profit and loss of a trade. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can use the risk management tool to set the entry point, stop loss, and take profit levels of a trade and display the risk versus reward ratio on your chart.